Hello boys and girls, we're reading today in our Grade 1 Journeys Unit 2 Decodable Reader. And we're reading the second story called Tess and Jack. And this is Jack, no wait, that's Jack and this is Tess. But before we read it, it has plenty of words that have double final consonants. So we're going to go ahead and review the sounds of them. So SS spells S, CK spells K, FF spells F, ZZ spells Z. Are you getting these right before I do? GG spells G. DD spells D. And there's one more double final consonant that we don't have a card for, and it's double T, and it says T. Okay, remember when you see your double final consonants, they only make one sound. Okay. In addition to that, we have a couple of sight words. This one says call. When you see that word, it says call. And this one says said. So we get to practice our said and our call sight words in this story. And there's one more I just want you to sound out for me. It's a dead giveaway, but go ahead and sound it out anyway. Pretend you don't know what it says. S, I, k, sick, sick. So I will read it. I'll read it to you. Tess and Jack. Tess and Jack. Call me, said Tess. Call me, said Jack. Looks like they're best buddies. Tess is sick. Tess is sick in bed. Tess cannot play, but Tess can call Jack. Jack is sick. Jack is sick in bed. Jack cannot play, but Jack can call Tess. Oh, so they both got sick and they are both bedridden. They can't play. When you are sick, especially now during a pandemic, you need to stay home and stay away from people. Don't go and play with them even if you really, really want to, or they might catch your germs. Tess is well. Tess is back. Tess can play. Jack is well. Jack is back. Jack can play. Tess and Jack can bat. Looks like they're playing t-ball. They put their ball right up there. That way they can make sure they can hit it. Tess has a mitt. This is a mitt right here, and now she's going to use it to catch any balls that he hits. Jack has his bat. Quick, said Tess, hit it. Tess and Jack had fun. Will Jack call Tess? Yes, yes, Jack will. Will Tess call Jack? Yes, yes, Tess will. So they go on a whole bunch of play dates. They like each other. Not like that kind of like, but the kind of friendly. They like to play with one another. You know, because they're too little. They're not teenagers. They're just kids and they just like to play with one another. Okay. Well, I hope you enjoyed that story and that you can have your own time practice reading it on our Google Slides, which is the link right underneath this one. All right, read it 3 times. Toodaloo.